Use the vertical line test to determine whether the graph is that of a function. We have a graph that looks like the shape of a parabola opening to the right. It's symmetric about the x-axis. It has a negative x-intercept and both a positive and negative y-intercept. The vertical line test states that if there is a vertical line that exists that can pass through the graph of a relation at more than one point, then the graph is not the graph of a function. So let's draw vertical lines and see if there is a vertical line that can pass through this graph in more than one location. If we draw a vertical line through the vertex of this right opening parabola, it only passes through the graph at one point. However, as x increases and we draw vertical lines through the graph, they pass through the graph at exactly 2 points. We can see this with the y-axis, which is itself a vertical line that passes through both the positive and negative y-intercept. And as we keep moving, we can see that any vertical line that we draw passes through the graph in exactly 2 locations, which is more than 1. And so by the vertical line test, this is not a function.